Hello, everyone. Welcome. I am joined here today with Klaus from Sooloox. Hello, Klaus. Thank you so much for joining me today.
Thanks to be here.
So let's just get right into it. Can you tell us about your ICO, Sooloox? What are you guys all about?
Yes, yes, I would like to. We try to change a bit the marketing world. We want to enable users to make money with their personal data and increase sales of companies at lower costs. This is what we want to do. Usually, the marketing is that they take the historical data and try then to make their sales with advertising, and we think we can match interests and the interests of the companies.
Wow. It sounds really fascinating. Could you tell us a little bit more about how your platform works?
The platform will be a kind of matching of leads. You know what a lead is? Have you ever heard about what a lead is?
Why don't you tell me just for all of our listeners out there?
It's just a lead is just if you just have the possibility to give the concrete information about somebody who wants to buy something, a special good, and this is very easy if you then think about matching these kind of interests, which always leads to a product or kind of service, and then you have the company. And the company is the vendor who just offers you your products, and this matching would be very easy if you have a concrete profile.
Yeah. Well, that makes a lot of sense. You know, if I'm a consumer and I want something, the best way for any business whatsoever is to find out what my needs are. So it seems like an amazing idea.
Yeah, it's just I think we hope the smart thing is it's an easy idea.
Yeah.
It's very simple and it's very easy. And the thing is, nowadays, consumers, they just deliver their data for free. And all the other companies make their profit with it. And we don't think this is fair.
Wow.
And blockchain enables us to change this.
Very cool. Well, can you tell us what is the main advantages of Sooloox?
Yeah, I think we have about 3 or 4 different advantages with Sooloox. We have, first of all, consumers. They make their money with the data. Then you have companies. They will increase their sales. Then you will see that we don't have these kind of entrance barriers for the market, for our platform. Everybody can join it without paying anything. So this will probably increase variety of products on the market because a lot of small companies are not able to afford the high expenses for marketing. This is the reason why we think there are always win-win situations for all people joining it. And now finally, CAK owners. What is a CAK owner?
Yeah, why don't you go into that? I was about to ask you.
CAK owner is, CAK is our token. This is the name of our token. And it stands for cash account key. And if users just start on our platform, all users will have a kind of starting account. We call it start account. And if you want to make your profits, you can make your profits with a start account on the platform all the time. You don't need to pay anything. But if you want to transfer your profits to another wallet or an account, then you would need this cash account key. So you see, the cash account key owner has 3 rights. He can sell the CAK to a user or to a consumer who wants to transfer his profits. He can rent it for a year, which is a kind of long-term investment.
Mm-hmm.
And then you can use it by yourself. Okay?
Yeah.
So there are 3 different kinds of profits. We don't provide a kind of currency or something like that. Yeah?
Gotcha. Yeah, that definitely makes you guys very distinct from a lot of the people that I interview. A big focus is their token, but it seems that that's not actually a main portion of your platform.
Yeah, the token is just really a kind of utility token. You know, it's a functional good, and this kind of functional good will, you know, if you see, I think we have about 3 billion consumers online, and we have about 200 million companies, and we provide all in all 30 million CAK in the beginning.
Wow.
This is quite quite less.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. So I think we enable our CAK owners to have fun with their CAKs if they just try to start in right at the pre-sale period.
Definitely. Well, actually, moving forward on that, can you tell us about any future applications planned for your platform?
Yes, there will be quite a lot of applications. We named in our white paper more than 19 applications, which is quite a lot. And there will be more because we are definitely sure that the community which will take place on the platform will have wishes for more applications. This is what we think. But the main important applications for us will be the multi-currency wallet, which enables to make transactions in all currencies you want to do. So you don't have only the cryptocurrencies. There are quite a lot of people so far not using cryptocurrency, and so we want to enable these people as well to use the platform. We need AI, artificial intelligence, because of making it very comfortable for users to get their personal data in their profiles. This would be very important. We have a special thing, it's called value of interest. Which means you can emphasize your wishes if you want to buy something. You know, sometimes you are searching for ages if you want to buy a special product. And if you, with Sooloox, you can say, I will pay an extra $5 just to get a fitting offer for my wishes. Mm-hmm. And if I don't purchase after your offer, though all the criteria are fitting, I pay $5. So this tells the company there's somebody who really wants to buy my product. It really makes sense to make an offer to him. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that definitely makes sense. Speaking of,
so these are just two, and we need thousands of APIs because we won't think that we can change user behavior in the beginning. This won't work. So we need APIs to get the information from all the existing sources, like, if you go into a search engine and if you're writing emails and all these information, you decide, the consumer decides, if you want to give these APIs free to say, okay, they can collect information about me or not.
Wow.
That's what you want to do.
It gives a lot of freedom to the consumer, it sounds like.
Yeah, you decide. You will be the author of your data and you will authorize it. You know, you will decide if you use it or not. So in the beginning, marketing companies still try to collect your personal data. You know, if you go somewhere, they collect it. If you go with your handy somewhere, they collect it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, but now we will enable our users to say, not only the others collect these data, you can collect these data for your own and use it.
Wow.
This is what you want to do.
Wow. So speaking of users, how many registrations for your ICO do you have already?
Yeah, we are very delighted that just after 1 week we have more than 600 registrations, which is for us, we just started to be online, which is very nice for us. We didn't thought that so many people just in 1 week will come.
That's phenomenal.
We are very happy about that. Yeah.
And then I'm also I'm curious about where you guys are based out of. I see that you guys are, is your residence in Turks and Caicos? Could you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, do you know Turks and Caicos, a little island close to Dominican Republic?
Yeah, I've heard of
it. It's a nice place actually, but not right now because of the hurricane. But no, we choose this place because of two main reasons. Actually, one main reason is taxes. We provide a sale. We don't provide securities. We provide a sale. And if you sell something and after this we hope to get a great profit, and we don't have to pay taxes on it, so we can invest the money and don't have to pay taxes. This is main reason to go there, and this will be for the next 20 years. On the Turks, it's a kind of rule. If you start a company there, you don't have to pay tax for the next 20 years.
Wow.
Yeah.
So that sounds very logical to be running out of there. Can you tell our viewers a little bit about how they can get involved in your project? What's coming up within this next year of 2018? What can our viewers keep an eye out for?
Yeah, you should. I think now it's the moment to watch the period of the registration and pre-sale. You have the chance to get enormous bonuses right at the beginning, and we make a few things a bit different than other ICOs. We don't provide a big team right now because a team means a lot of costs. And we think we want to have the costs at the moment where we starting all the different kind of projects in this big project. And then we just take experts and external companies which are just have the know-how to make it quick and to have the development in a short period of time. So we hope that when we got our ICO perfect, the pre-sale is done at the 21st of April.
Okay.
Then we will see how much money could we get and how quick can we develop the platform. We made some different caps, and we need more than 1 million to start the development, and our hard cap will be $30 million US. And if we reach this, we could be probably very, very quick.
Wow, that's great.
Yeah. Yeah.
My last and final question is just to tell us about your team. I know that you don't have a very big team. You just mentioned that. Could you tell us about some of the people who are on board?
Yes. We are two right in the team who are just working really for Sooloox, and we can call they belong to Sooloox. And then we have just quite a lot of external partners. We did the legal stuff, the taxes, which we have just a lot of advisors, which took us quite a long time to get all the information, where to found the company and all so on. So in the beginning, we are just two, and our helpers in the background, which are just helping us to make the marketing and all the stuff. But we will grow as soon as possible after finishing the pre-sale and the ICO.
Amazing. Well, Klaus, this sounds like an extremely exciting project. I'm so excited to see where it goes within this next year. That's unfortunately all the time that we have. Thank you so much for joining me today.
Thanks a lot, Max. And bye-bye.
We're very excited to see what's on the horizon.
Thanks for your help. Bye-bye.